Meaning of doodad.
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 Doodad. The word doodad is often used to describe an object whose name is either unknown or forgotten. It refers to any small item or gadget that has either a practical or decorative use. The term can be applied to a wide range of objects, including accessories, trinkets, and small mechanical parts. Doodads are typically distinctive and interesting in some way, though they may not have a well-defined purpose. Overall, doodad is a playful, informal term used to refer to a variety of small, interesting items that catch our attention.